Hey everybody, King Piers back out here in Lawrence, Kansas. I'm starting to become very fond of Lawrence, Kansas. The people are really nice to work for. This project here is a little commercial project, 7 King Piers. Backside of this building here has got some settling issues. We're going to install 7 piers right in here, coming around to about right here. See the crack right there in the stucco? The floors on the inside have cracked, and there's a crack running parallel with these walls, and it is dropping. So we'll come in here at the frost footing. Stay tuned. King Piers out here in Lawrence, Kansas. We're going to be working right here for the next few days. Piers are being welded right now, and we'll have them delivered later this afternoon. We're going to have to saw cut these sidewalks here. So we'll be starting here as soon as my crew shows up. I was a little bit early. I got here about 6:45. We're going to get here about 7 o'clock. So King Piers, Kansas City, Lawrence, Kansas, Lee Summit, Blue Springs, Platte City, Warrensburg, it doesn't matter. Give us a call, 816-521-8915. You can always go to our website, kingpiers.com.